A day after the Special Operation Group of Rajasthan Police registered criminal cases over purported audio clips of BJP leaders plotting to topple the Ashok Gehlot government, the BJP on Saturday sought a CBI probe into the phone tapping of all the political leaders in the state. BJP's national spokesperson Sambit Patra dismissed horse trading allegations by the Congress at a press briefing today, calling them manufactured clips and fiction. Asking why rebel Congress MLAs feel safer in Haryana, the Congress today alleged that it was clear that the BJP engineered the political crisis in Rajasthan. Last evening, the Haryana police blocked the SOG from collecting voice samples from a Manesar resort. Congress alleged that meanwhile the MLAs had tried to escape from the hotel. The number of coronavirus cases crossed the 14 million mark Saturday, just 4 days after it breached the 13 million milestone. This is the first time cases have increased by 1 million in less than 100 hours, according to media reports. The World Health Organization reported a record rise of 237,743 infections on Friday. The human trials of Bharat Biotech and ICMR's coronavirus candidate vaccine commenced at Rohtak's PGIMS on Friday. Haryana's Health Minister Anil Vij said in a tweet that 3 subjects were enrolled today. All have tolerated the vaccine very well. The human trials of Covaxin have also commenced at AIIMS, Patna. In the latest development in the Kerala gold smuggling case, upon the National Investigation Agency's request, the Interpol has issued a blue corner notice against accused Faisal Farid, the third accused in the racket. NIA believes Faisal is the main link in the racket that has rocked the Kerala government. Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar responded to Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's criticism of the centre's handling of foreign affairs. Jaishankar took Rahul Gandhi's questions point by point and ended his counterattack with the suggestion, "Ask yourself," after pointing out the change in India's response to Pakistan under the current regime and under the UPA.